Hey, welcome to Matt's Garage. Oh, light, hello. So I am making some progress. I've been setting the doors and I've got them exactly where I want them. So I'm going to weld them in while I can. Now, I wish I could have shown you that process of getting the doors set, but I had to think with my brain a lot in order to make that happen. And I just couldn't afford to film and do it at the same time. But basically, a lot of playing around. On the driver's side kick panel, I had to literally cut a piece out, trim it, and then stitch weld it all the way back in to move the whole pillar one way. These are kind of the steps you need to take to make the sheet metal fit. So today, I am going to take these are just sort of mocked in there. Take these off and hopefully weld it in. Are they gonna fall off? Yeah, we'll see. See how nice that closed? Yeah, so I know I went aggro with the spray on primer, the blow-through primer. Ignore that, I lost my mind. It was after a long day in the garage. So I'm gonna weld these support plates in and then weld that back plate to the front plate. And then I'm done. I'm done with the stupid doorpost. Oh God, getting the gaps was just a nightmare, guys. It was a freaking nightmare, but it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld, and then yeah. And then the hood is janky. I gotta get that sitting correctly, and lots of work to do, but at least the doors are done. That is a major step in this build process. Those are never coming apart. We'll go do the other side. I did the other side. I don't know if you remember, but I had to break these apart. And of course I mangled these flanges and stuff, so I've been sort of fitting it. This to fit. I'm gonna trim this edge out to get it to sit. And now it's sitting pretty good. I'm gonna weld this side and then sort of shape the bottom down. Just being really conscious that I don't want to mess with this A-pillar. I want to introduce structure, and then up here at least, so that this stops moving around. This piece really triangulates the door pillar and adds a lot of structure to it. I mean, I know I have these braces, but this really just completes the picture. So very important. So I'm going to weld up here, weld in here. There's a couple spots where I'm actually pretty close to the support underneath, so I'm going to weld to those here and here, and we'll start giving the whole thing structure. I'll shape it as I go. Let me show you where I'm at. So as I said, I welded it all in. I know it's ugly. These holes were from when I broke them apart. I was able to get that one, and that one tied to the back, that L bracket that was on the front, so that was good. Welded these together, welded that together, and then came and did that flange there. Let's see how the door does. Okay, it still fits very nice compared to what it used to, but it's not as good as I had it right before I did the welding. So it looks like this came up a little bit, which is okay. It means I need to basically lower the door and shim the upper one. I mean, it's very close. I'll show you. I mean, it's really not bad. It's just, you see see it's a little bit high now. A little high, but that's really not a big deal. The gaps are still really good and all that, but I am gonna have to get it right before I put my rocker, set my rocker, so that's on a future to-do list. But that's this side. I don't think I'm gonna get to the other side tonight. Just gonna give the Fonz a rally there. To be loved, for the freedom, someone to guess, someone to miss. Yeah. Real question is, how does it line up to the boards? It looks like definitely a little off. It should be there. So my front core support situation needs to be adjusted. And honestly, I haven't, I need to re-aim my body, which I haven't done lately. To do that, really, I need to put the rear tires on, because those, it's like the only 90 on this thing is the rear tires, because these front tires, it just depends on the track bar where they sit. So that corner is an issue. So that can come over, that's no problem. But the hood is not. So when I get this figured out, it's going to be awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So the hood is pointing too much that way, so I need to basically push the body. Almost good. Yeah, there you go. See? Oh, the door closes better and everything. See that? Nothing a little shoving around won't help. See you next time on Matt's Garage.